very good morning from the sea. It's stunning day. It's absolutely beautiful. This cabin is amazing. You have nice sunrise. Anyway, we are going to explore today. It's early morning. Hopefully not many people are going to be on deck. So I will show you everything around. Let's go. Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together. Here is a pool. Main pool. Lots of seatings area. They are actually bringing some more sunbeds. This is a bar. It's not open yet, but you can imagine. We are continuing our tour here. You can get a water. Water is free here, everywhere. Towels. And here is a jacuzzi. Another pool, jacuzzi and bar as well. Perfect. Outdoor gym. Someone is training already. Well done, Jurat. Here is a bar on deck 16. It's not fully open yet because it's morning, but you can imagine there are actually three bars on deck 16. We are in Cali. You can grab some food here and some drinks. So many options. Morning.
Maybe I will go back and look at that. I'll just sit over here. See, everything else is kind of cream cheese, right? Yeah. I'll be right back. Okay. butter syrup prepared. Thank you. Okay. Is that for omelet? Oh, that's it, yes. I'll bring it to her. I don't mind. Okay. I'll bring her.
We are having breakfast outside. You can sit inside, outside. You can choose whatever you want. I choose eggs Florentines. I'm going to try it. It's good. I like it. We have this beautiful spot for now. We are just going to relax. It's I really like this actually part of the ship. It's quiet here. You have two uh whirlpool here, so if you want to have some chill out in the water, you can do it. Also, there is a bar, and downstairs it's restaurant where you can grab some snack if you are hungry. We are getting ice cream.
Lick me, lick me.
Thank you. We went for a lunch. I'm having sushi. It's good. I choose carrot with avocado and it's fine. Guys, check this selection of food, pastries, cakes. Absolutely unbelievable. And you have all included. Hello from this beautiful balcony. It's our first day, as I mentioned, and it was really great. We had lots of fun, we had really relaxed time, and what I loved about the ship that you can do what you want to do. It's completely up to you if you want to have fun or if you are in party mode, you can do it. If you feel you want to chill out, there is plenty of space to do it, or if you want to socialize, you can do it as well. You can find new friends. We have early dinner today, actually at 6 o'clock, so I'm going to get ready and go for a dinner. Actually, it's going to be second dinner here on a cruise. I am ready for our second dinner. It's actually going to be in Razzle Dazzle, which is restaurant serving typical American dishes. So we are so excited to have some probably burger or something. We will see what they can surprise us with. Also, you can have there lots of vegetarian or vegan options. So we actually made a mistake. We are not dining in Razzle Dazzle tonight, but in Pink Agave, which is Mexican restaurant, but it's actually late. It's 9 o'clock, which is fine. We have time. We don't rush. And we are going to have some beer and some drinks now, and then probably watch a show. We are having drinks in Pink Agave and waiting for our dinner. And it's a really busy restaurant actually. But we are going to have some live music here as well.